Consumerism refers to a state in which consumers demand products and services that have undergone an eco-friendly production process or one that involves recycling and safeguarding the planet and resources.
Consumerism. Green consumerism is a holistic and responsible process of management that satisfies, identifies, fulfills, and anticipates the needs of the stakeholders in maintaining the natural well-being of the environment, and one that does not endanger the health of humans. It therefore includes 1. Reduced waste in packaging, 2. Increased energy efficiency, 3. Decreased release of emissions and other pollutants during production and transportation processes, 4. Consumption of more healthy foods.
The first one is carry your own reusable bag, water bottle, coffee cup, straw and utensils. Second, buy in bulk. This will save your money on top of reducing waste. So, be your voice for more and more eco-friendly methods such as using sustainable and recyclable materials and helps to reduce waste.
We can increase energy efficiency in various ways, such as we can replace bulbs with CFLs or LEDs. We should unplug devices when we are not using them. We should dry our clothes with our hands. We should use solar power devices more, and we should reduce water consumption.
How can we conserve energy without spending any money? To start with, here are some quick and easy energy conservation methods that won't cost you anything. In fact, they'll save your money. Firstly, you need to adjust your day-to-day behavior. For example, turn off kitchen or bathroom exhaust fan as soon as possible. Use ceiling fans to cool a room instead of turning on the AC. Replace incandescent light bulbs with LED or CFL models. Always make sure to turn off all your electronic devices when you are not using them.
Of solar product and renewable energy resources are: it helps to fight against climate change, it reduces dependency on non-renewable energy sources, it reduces air pollution, water usage, and it is easy to maintain as the maintenance cost is low, less electricity bill, and it is a very well developed technology.
Consumption of more healthy food. Eat less from boxes and more from earth. Healthy diet includes variety of fruits and vegetables of many colors, whole grains, starches, good fats and lean proteins. Eating healthy also means avoiding foods with high amounts of added sugar and salt and eating a small amount. Eating junk food is linked to serious health problems. Through green consumerism advocacies, there has been an increasing need for more eco-friendly food production. As a result, people are gradually developing a culture of buying more organic and local food, which is healthier as they are not cultivated or produced using artificial chemicals, antibiotics, hormones or pesticides.
Using eco-friendly product. Eco-friendly products ensures efficiency by using non-harmful material without compromising on quality. They also regard processes that produce little waste to avoid pollution. Recycling is very important as waste has a huge negative impact on the natural environment.
Why should we buy locally grown and organic food? 1. Because it contains less amount of synthetic pesticides, leading to a healthier family. 2. Because it supports the local economy, which means you are buying directly from the farmer and reducing your carbon footprint. and as the supplies don't need to be shipped to a third party retailer. So basically this means you are saving your planet, which is something what superheroes do.